Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Learn with Anjali, and today I have an exciting update for all the freshers who dream of working in top tech companies. Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, is hiring software engineers for their Bangalore location. This is a full-time role for fresh graduates, and it's a great opportunity if you're passionate about coding and want to work on products used by billions of people. In this role, you'll be writing clean code, building new features, analyzing systems, solving complex problems, and working across mobile and web platforms. Meta expects you to learn fast, understand their codebase, deliver tasks on time, and constantly improve your skills. Now, who can apply? Anyone who has completed or is about to complete a bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering, or any related field. You should know at least one programming language like Java, Python, C++, or JavaScript. If you've done internships, coding competitions, or built strong projects, that's a big plus because Meta values hands-on experience. Meta as a company is not just about social media. They are into AI, AR/VR, and building the next generation of digital experiences, so joining them means working on some of the most advanced technologies in the world. If you're interested, make sure you apply as soon as possible. The application link is provided in the description. Update your resume, highlight your skills and projects clearly, and go for it. That's all for today's update. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn with Anjali for more job updates and career guidance. All the best and apply soon.